hi. Look, kitty. Who's up with Butters? Hi. You saying hi to the kitty? Say hi, kitty. Oh, what a nice sit. I didn't ask for that. Poor Spiky. Outside it says damn stray feral kittens. Inside it's this thing. But he's waiting so patiently for you to play with him. Oh, maybe not so patient. Sweet. Good boy, Butters. You being nice. You checking out the kitty cat. Oh, I don't think Kitty wants to play. Kitty plays tough. Get him, Spike. Okay, Butters, leave it. Butters, leave it. Leave it. You're trying to get the kitty to play. This kitty don't play, Butters. Yeah, that's not going to get Kitty to play with you. Oh. You get mad. Get him, Spike. Are you learning, Butters? You're scared now, aren't ya? Yeah, you're cute.